The Cim200 Scheduler is a graphical scheduling tool that allows you to plan your works order production schedule based on your resource availability via a web browser. Access can be attained via the Cim200 Works Order menu option within Inquiries and Scheduler. As it is web-based, you can access the scheduler from any device connected to the internet. It is linked to the data stored in your SQL database and integrates with the planning and works order modules, updating each time MRP is ran or by selecting the download button. When a works order is created in Cim200, the system will schedule the job to ensure that the work is completed by the safety due date on the works order. The system uses the times on the works order routing along with the production and operation calendars to determine when each operation should start and finish. The Cim200 scheduler uses the same calendars as Cim200 to determine when a job can be scheduled, and as you adjust the production plan, the Cim200 scheduler considers the working calendar for each resource and operation and will help you to schedule the jobs accordingly. It will not let you schedule operations out of sequence, and it will not allow you to schedule a job during a period when you aren't working. The view is split into two parts based on which view you have selected. The split can be adjusted by dragging the horizontal bars. Currently displayed is the works order view. The top section contains the works orders, and the bottom section displays resources. The search option allows you to enter a keyword to filter the displayed data, and the date range can be edited as required. The scroll bars allow you to view future activity, and if you quickly need to return to the data for today, select the Jump to Today button. The display can be filtered, and you can add and remove columns by right-clicking on the column headings, selecting and deselecting as required, and sort the columns in ascending or descending order as needed. At the top, you can see when the data was last refreshed. The download button refreshes the data based on the current Cim200 data. To save any changes you have made in Scheduler to the CimWorks orders, select the Upload button. The Resource View option allows you to see what resources you have and how they are planned to be used. Night and day mode options can be selected based on your preference. The Works Order view shows each works order within a swim lane. If you select a works order in the top section, the associated resources are highlighted in blue at the bottom of the screen. Arrowed lines connect each element on the works order, allowing you to see related operations and subassembly works orders. The coloured circles against each works order advise if the works order is going to be completed on time or not. Each operation is colour-coded to help you identify any issues or conflicts, which can be easily moved by dragging the item to a desired location. Moving items may change the colour of the item based on the new position and any knock-on impact to related demand, so you can immediately see how this impacts the completion of the works order. If MRP recommendations are included, they are shown with an orange outline. You cannot move an operation that has been locked. These are identified via the padlock icon. You can mark an operation as locked or unlocked by right-clicking on the operation. As well as scheduling, works orders, resources, and MRP recommendations, you can also plan for ad hoc events such as machine repairs, holidays, and sickness. Scheduler is a great interactive tool to help you quickly plan your operations and ensure your resources are utilised with efficiency.